In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to assign tasks to different staff members in the system and keep track of everyone's responsibilities. You will notice that when you first log into your staff account, at the very bottom, we will list all current tasks that are assigned to you. To manage all of your tasks, you are going to want to do this under My Organization within the Tasks section of your account. Once you are in this section, you can see a list of all tasks that are currently assigned to all staff members. You can also see their current status by looking at the colored icon located under the task description. You are also able to use the filters to search by status, task type, and due date. If you want to view only the tasks that are assigned to you, you can check off Show Only Tasks Assigned to Me, and it will only display the tasks that have been assigned to your staff account. To add a new task, you can click Actions at the top, and you are able to create a task for a pet, an application, or just a general task. First, we are going to walk you through how to create a task for a pet. To do this, you can click Create Task for Pet, select the staff members you want to assign the task to, select which pet the task is for, and then select the due date as to when you want the task to be completed. At the bottom, you can write out the task description. Once you enter in all the information, click Create, and the task will be added to the system. The staff member will also receive an email letting them know that a task has been assigned to their account. Next, to create a task for an application, you can click Actions and then Create Task for Application. This can be used if you want a certain staff member to do something related to an application that is pending in the system. For example, you may need a staff member to call the applicant and go through some of the questions within the application. You also may need a staff member to call the references within an application as well. To create the task for the staff member, you would enter in the email of the staff member at the top, the application that the task is associated with, when it needs to be done by, and a description of what needs to be done. Just like with adding a task to a pet, once this task is created, we will send an email to the staff member letting them know a task has been assigned to them in the system so they can take care of it. They will also see the task in their dashboard and within the tasks section of their account. Last but not least, you are able to create a general task for anything in the system. These tasks are not assigned to a specific pet or application, but they can be used if you have a general task such as washing the bowls or cleaning the kennels. Now that you know how to add a task to the system, you can view tasks in a few different ways. First is the regular list view within the task index. At the top, we also have a calendar view, where if you click on this View Calendar button, you can see the tasks all listed in a calendar based on when they are due. If you click on a specific day, you can see all tasks that are due for each day and who is assigned to each task. If you need to edit a task, you can click Manage next to the task you want to edit, and then click Edit. You will also notice that each task has a specific status, which is shown in a certain color. To change the status, you would select Manage and then click Change Status, and you can select one of the 4 statuses shown here. You will see that if you mark it as done, the color of the marker changes to orange, letting you know that the task has been completed. To delete a task, you can just click Manage and then Delete. If you have any additional questions about tasks, please email support@petstablished.com. This concludes the tutorial for setting up tasks and managing them in the Petstablished system. This concludes the tutorial for task management within the Petstablished system.